The plastics industry is becoming more complex as product designers demand barely visible lines while maintaining functional performance and a desirable appearance. Emerson's infrared technology provides a solution that delivers maximized aesthetics, integrity, and functionality. Among its many benefits, infrared produces clean, clear, weld-bead aesthetics along with enhanced design flexibility. It's also energy efficient and cost-effective, producing faster welds which result in shortened cycle times. Infrared technology is a solution that offers maximum proficiency while maintaining top quality standards. Imagine faster and more efficient welds with less energy consumption, fewer limitations, and the ability to explore new designs. Emerson's infrared technology opens up a world of possibilities.